subscribe to our channel for more unknown facts videos. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, are a type of aircraft that does not carry a pilot. They are controlled by a ground-based controller or by an onboard computer. They were designed to replace humans on missions that were considered too dangerous. These devices first came to the market in the 1990s and were developed by the military. A drone can either be pre-programmed or be remotely controlled by a pilot. If you like the video, click the subscribe button and click the bell button for notification. Drones can be as large as an aircraft or as small as the palm of your hand. The first country to build drones was Israel. The largest manufacturer and exporter of military and defense drones is Israel. Drones are used for humanitarian causes, such as delivering food and aid to remote areas. Nowadays, drones are easily available for everyone to purchase and use for really low prices. Thanks for watching. Don't miss to subscribe our channel for more fact videos.